Smartsheet versus Excel, which one is the best for you? Spreadsheets have been the backbone of business and project management for decades, but with modern tools like Smartsheet, is Excel still the king or is it time for an upgrade? In this video, we're comparing Smartsheet versus Excel, breaking down their features, usability, collaboration tools, automation, pricing, and more. By the end, you'll know which one best suits your needs. Now, before we delve into the detailed comparison, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, before we compare, let's quickly define what Smartsheet and Excel actually are. Now, Microsoft Excel have been the go-to spreadsheet software for decades. It's powerful, widely used, and supports complex calculations, formula, and data analysis. It's great for financial modeling, data visualization, and managing structured datasets. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is a cloud-based project management tool that builds upon traditional spreadsheets. It incorporates features like the Gantt charts, automation, and team collaboration, making it more than just a spreadsheet. It's a work management platform designed for teams. Now, while both tools share spreadsheet-based interfaces, their core purposes are quite different. Let's dive deeper. Now, moving forward, when it comes to the ease of use, which tool gives you the smoothest experience? Excel provides a traditional spreadsheet experience, which is familiar to most users. However, it has a steep learning curve, especially for those who want to use advanced formulas, pivot tables, or macros. Beginners might find it overwhelming, but power user loves its flexibility. Smartsheet, while inspired by Spreadsheet, has a more intuitive interface designed for project management. Features like the drag and drop task management, automated workflows, and Gantt charts make it easier for teams to collaborate. If you're already comfortable with Spreadsheet and data analysis, Excel will feel natural. But if you need a more structured and visual way to manage work, Smartsheet is the easier choice to get started with. Now, let's compare their features and see how functionality they offer. Now, Excel is built for data manipulation, complex calculation, and charting. It has thousands of functions, support macros and VBA scripting, and allows users to perform in-depth financial modeling and statistical analysis. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is designed for team collaboration and project tracking. It includes features like automation, team collaboration, dashboard reporting, proofing, account, administration, and more, as you can go ahead and see right here. Unlike Excel, Smartsheet is not just a number crunching tool, it's a project management solution. If you're focused on data analysis and calculation, Excel is superior. But if you need a collaborative project management with automation, Smartsheet is the better option. Now, collaboration is key in today's work environment. So which tool makes teamwork easier? Excel has a cloud collaboration through the Excel Online and OneDrive, but its real-time editing features are not as smooth as the other modern cloud platform. Additionally, working with large spreadsheets can sometimes slow down performance. Smartsheet, being fully cloud-based, is built for real-time collaboration. Multiple users can edit at once, add comment, and assign tasks, all while tracking changes. It also integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. If your team frequently work on the shared files and need a seamless real-time collaboration, Smartsheet is the better option. However, for individual works and offline access, Excel still holds an advantage. Moving forward, automation or automating repetitive tasks can save hours of work. So, how do their platform compare? Excel supports macros and VBA scripting, allowing users to create custom automation. However, this requires coding knowledge, which makes it less accessible to non-technical users. Smartsheet provides no-code automation where users can set up triggers, approval, and workflows without programming. It also integrates with Zapier, Salesforce, and Jira, making it more versatile for business automation. If you're a technical user who needs advanced scripting, Excel is the way to go. But if you want an easy to use automation system, Smartsheet is the better choice. Moving forward, let's talk about pricing because budget always matters. Excel is part of the Microsoft 365, which starts at $6.99 per month. For individuals, it's around $12 per year, and for business plan, it's going to go ahead and cost more. If you only need Excel at a one-time purchase, it costs around 100 or $125 to $159 per month. But you'll miss out on cloud collaboration features as I've mentioned previously. Those collaborations come with the Microsoft 365. Meanwhile, for Smartsheet, they offer free plan, but the paid plan starts around $9 per month with advanced features available at $19 per month. Their second plan, which is the business plan, will upgrade your features right here from the pro plan to the business plan. And they also have enterprise level right here, which you have to go ahead and contact in order to get your custom priced plan. Excel is cheaper for individuals, while Smartsheet pricing makes more sense for teams that need collaboration tools. And so, while we're talking about database, spreadsheet, and team collaboration, of course, speed and performance matter when handling large database. Now, Excel is optimized for handling large scale or large amount of data, making it great for financial analysis, data modeling, and complex calculation. However, when files become too large, Excel can slow down, especially in the cloud-based version. Meanwhile, for Smartsheet, being cloud-based performs well for the real-time collaboration, but can become slower with complex workflows and large projects. Since it's not built for heavy data calculation, it might not be the best option for handling massive database. If you need speed for a large database, of course Excel is better. But if you focus on the collaborative part or the collaborative project tracking, Smartsheet performs efficiently. Now, data security is a top priority, so how do Smartsheet and Excel compare? Excel provides password protection, encryption, and role-based permission, but security features depend on the Microsoft 365 plans, while Smartsheet, on the other hand, offers enterprise-level security, including SEO2, GDPR, and HIPAA. It also detailed access control, making it more suitable for teams that handle sensitive business data. If you need basic security, Excel is enough. But for high security compliance and team access control, Smartsheet is the better choice. Now that we reached the end of the video, let's decide which one should you choose. Now, if you need a powerful spreadsheet for calculations, financial modeling, and data analysis, Excel is the best choice. It's perfect for accountants, analysts, and technical users who require advanced functions and offline access. However, if you need a modern project management tool with collaboration, automation, and workflow tracking, Smartsheet is the better option. It's great for business, teams, and enterprise that need a structured work management. Ultimately, your decision depends on how you plan to use the tool. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more tech comparison. See you on the next video.